What is the headline when it comes to sustainability with the R2?
Implicit in the vehicle, by virtue of being electric, it consumes a lot less energy. Because it's smaller, because it's also more efficient, its footprint is meaningfully smaller just on the usage side than what we see with R1. But we've also really looked at the full life cycle of all the components that go into it. And if you were to look at like the headliner on the vehicle, it's 100% recycled plastic, half of which is coming from the ocean. The floor mats, again, recycled plastic. The wood in the dash is recycled birch from the furniture industry. A huge amount of focus has gone into the efficiency of the design, both to make the battery very long life, but importantly to make the battery something that its upstream supply chain really fits how we think about running our business in terms of the approach to workforce, the approach to how the mines are operated. And so a lot of work has gone into that as well.